Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is ChukwunonsoCaptures, aka Mazi. Chakom, aka the Photo Cosmetic Surgeon. Welcome back to another YouTube video, and welcome back to Photo Lab. Shout out to all my clients out there. You are appreciated. Special thanks to all the models and muses out there. You keep me inspired. And one love to all my supporters on social media. You keep me going. All right, so today I got a special treat for you. You guys are gonna have fun with this one. So this camera setting that we're gonna talk about in today's episode is flash modes, right? So this is basically how to make my camera ifunanya say chakom. So these are all the ways that the camera says chakom. Yeah, you guys are gonna get sick of that. All right, so basically we're gonna go through the flash modes. I'm gonna share my screen with you, and you're gonna see the different flash modes, and you're gonna get to understand what the different flash modes do and what type of situations they're used in. All right, so I'm gonna share my screen with you. You ready? All right, let's go. All right, so welcome to my camera screen, and we're gonna talk about flash modes, right? So flash modes. Here we go. So fill flash. This is just a regular flash, right? It's just as you can see, there's a picture of a woman here, and the room, I guess, was kind of dark. She's backlit, meaning that her back is what's lit up by, the sun, behind her from coming through the window, and the front of her really wasn't lit up before they took this picture. So they just put a flash. They put the flash on, the flash fire, to fill up kind of like that shadow was where her face was, to fill it up with light. That's why they call it fill flash. You're filling up any darkness with light, right? So this is just regular fill flash, the regular type of flash that you use at parties and stuff like that. This is fill flash. If it's a dark room, this is the type of flash that most people are familiar with, right? Event photography, parties, weddings, things like that, right? Red eye reduction. So this is a way that the flash fires to reduce red eye. Kind of tended to be a problem in a lot of maybe older model cameras. Or I haven't really had any problem with red eye. I haven't really seen that in a lot of my pictures and stuff like that. But if you do notice that, if you are having that problem, you can just use this flash setting. I don't use this that often, but if you're noticing a lot of red eye in your pictures, then you can do that one. And then the last one, last but not least, which is my favorite, is a rear curtain sync flash, right? So this flash setting is more of a creative type of flash setting. And so basically what it does is the flash fires at a certain time relative to the shutter closing or opening. And what it does is it creates this motion trail. As you can see, these billiard balls, these pool balls here, you can see as they're in motion, the flash is oops, let me go back. The flash is creating a motion trail behind the ball. So if you're ever doing any type of long exposure photography, daytime, nighttime, long exposure, this is the one to use, so that the flash fires in such a way that basically it creates a really cool looking ghost-like motion trail behind the object that is in motion, right? So this is a really cool setting that I use. But yeah, that basically does it. These are the chakom flash modes. All right, so again, quick review. You got fill flash, red eye reduction, and rear curtain sync. All right, thanks guys. All right, so wasn't that fun? I hope it was informative. If you learned something from this video, please let me know what it is down in the comment section below. What type of flash modes do you typically use? Do you do some creative type of scenarios, creative types of pictures where you need flashes? Like the rear curtain sync and stuff like that. In those scenarios, do you mostly use fill flash? Do you do events, parties, things like that? Let me know which one's your favorite. Which one do you kind of find a little complex to use in certain scenarios to like get all the technicalities of it right, to like make certain effects and things like that. But yeah, like this video. Let me know if you have any questions about it in the comment section below. Share this video with a friend. Continue to subscribe to this YouTube channel and continue to share it with other people who might be interested in learning more about the way cameras work. And yeah, hit the bell button to get a notification for each time I make a new video. All right, thanks guys, take care, and I will see you in the next video. Happy shooting, my friends.